Hi viewers, welcome to AQUC Media YouTube channel. Now we are going to see black gram price in major parts of India. Kindly share this video to every farmers and traders. Mandi name Arilur Market, Tamil Nadu. Black gram arrival 170 kg. Minimum price 56 rupees 9 paise and maximum price 68 rupees 61 paise per 1 kg. Mandi name Ulundurpettai, Tamil Nadu. Black gram arrival 17,000 kg. Minimum price 56 rupees 89 paise and maximum price 66 rupees 71 paise per 1 kg. Mandi name Vikramandi, Tamil Nadu. Black gram arrival 40,000 kg. Minimum price 52 rupees 10 paise and maximum price 67 rupees 89 paise per 1 kg. Mandi name Kallakurichi, Tamil Nadu. Black gram arrival 3,500 kg. Minimum price 64 rupees and maximum price 68 rupees 89 paise per 1 kg. Mandi name Sri Mushnam, Tamil Nadu. Black gram arrival 1,430 kg. Minimum price 48 rupees 39 paise and maximum price 65 rupees 9 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Bangalore, Karnataka. Black gram arrival 25,000 kg. Minimum price 80 rupees and maximum price 94 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Bellary, Karnataka. Black gram arrival 3,000 kg. Minimum price 58 rupees 51 paise and maximum price 63 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Gulbarga, Karnataka. Black gram arrival 3,000 kg. Minimum price 45 rupees and maximum price 53 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Impal, Manipur. Black gram dal arrival 5,300 kg. Minimum price 110 rupees and maximum price 120 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 5,000 kg. Minimum price 80 rupees and maximum price 81 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 18,000 kg. Minimum price 81 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 82 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Mandi name Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 16,000 kg. Minimum price 75 rupees and maximum price 78 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 80,000 kg. Minimum price 67 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 69 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Lucknow. Black gram arrival 6,000 kg. Minimum price 73 rupees and maximum price 74 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Mohaba. Black gram arrival 87,500 kg. Minimum price 58 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 59 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 4,500 kg. Minimum price 78 rupees 75 paise and maximum price 82 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Rath, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 9,000 kg. Minimum price 41 rupees 80 paise and maximum price 43 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Baisoli, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 16,400 kg. Maximum price 63 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Asansol, West Bengal. Black gram dal arrival 8,600 kg. Minimum price 85 rupees and maximum price 86 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Medinpur, West Bengal. Black gram dal arrival 12,700 kg. Minimum price 95 rupees and maximum price 97 rupees per 1 kg. Mandi name Siliguri, West Bengal. Black gram arrival 53,000 kg. Minimum price 100 rupees per 1 kg and maximum price 120 rupees per 1 kg. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get immediate updates of our channel. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting us.